This video, we're going to be talking about how to fix the Snapchat tap to load errors on photos. So let's just get straight into the video. So normally this is only caused by a couple of reasons. So in order to go ahead and fix it, first try to switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data so that you can check if you have a proper internet connection. If that is not going to be working, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store, depending on any device you're using. Actually, on your Android, in order to go ahead and clear cache, you can just head into Settings, Storage, and then Application, and then Snapchat and clear cache. But on iOS, it's a bit different. Open your or Apple Store and then click on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and then click on personalized recommendations. Now click on clear app usage data, and this is going to clear all the applications usage data. Also try to uninstall the application right over here by clicking on delete app, restart your phone, and then re-download your application. Then it should go ahead and fix it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.